keep this lid on it so the barrel don't end up weighing an extra 100 pounds from the rainwater. Get down inside there instead of pounding on this and flattening the groove out, or closing it up. There. Looks better. Maybe just a little bit more. Alright. That's all I'm going to do there. Now, to get this straightened out, now there is got to be a curve in it right here. I don't want to straighten that out too far. I'll be right back. I'm going to go throw this against the corner of the trailer to see. Alright, it actually needs to be curved a little bit more than that. That might do for right now. I'm going to put a little bit more curve back in it up there. It comes down at an angle like this to this corner, then straight down to this corner, and then back. So I don't know how from the factory they managed this. Maybe they didn't. Maybe they cut it. Alright, got to get something here. Telling you, you have to use all kinds of tricks, I guess. And maybe not try to do it all at one time. I should have went and got my dead blow hammer to do this with. Well, see, it's starting to straighten out. I got to get that twist out of it. Hold on. Better check my video time. Oh shoot, 23 minutes. Have to start another one.